Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How Logical. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download MetaTrader 5 app on your iOS device. So, without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, make sure that your device is connected with stable internet. Once you do that, go to your App Store and search MetaTrader 5. Once you find the app named MetaTrader 5 Trading and Technical Analysis, just click it and hit the download button. It might take a while to download, so have a patience. Once the download process is complete, just open the app and allow all the notifications to be sent to your system in order to make sure that all the future updates are available in this device and accept the privacy policy of MetaTrader 5. Now you just simply have to open a demo account and there you go. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks would be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and please hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.